Ever wonder if you're managing your cash flow as efficiently as possible? Efficient cash flow management is the secret sauce to financial success. It starts with creating a budget and tracking your income and expenses. This is your financial GPS, guiding you to where your money is heading. You need to know every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out. It's like a money dance, and you're the choreographer. Without a clear understanding of what's coming in and what's going out, you're flying blind. How do you prepare for the financial future? Well, the key lies in forecasting your cash flow. By predicting your future needs, you can create a financial roadmap that guides your decisions. Now let's talk about separation. Mixing business and personal finances is a recipe for confusion. By keeping these two separate, you can have a clear view of your business performance. So avoid the financial jumble and establish clear boundaries. Remember, your personal wallet and your business purse should never meet. Are you stretching your dollars as much as you could be? You see, it's essential to negotiate extended payment terms with suppliers. This can help you maintain more cash on hand, giving you greater flexibility in your operations. But it doesn't stop there. Prompt collection from clients is equally vital. Every day that an invoice sits unpaid is a day your cash flow is not at its full potential. So don't hesitate to follow up, and remember, time is money. Negotiate wisely, collect swiftly. How much time do you spend on your finances each month? A great way to improve your cash flow is by offering incentives for early payments. These perks can motivate your clients to pay ahead of schedule, giving you faster access to your funds. Now let's talk about automating recurring payments. This not only saves you time, but also helps you avoid the stress and penalties of late payments. Automation is a game changer in financial management. Reward early birds and automate to liberate your time. How often do you review your spending habits? This is a crucial question that can determine the success or failure of your financial management. Regularly reviewing spending habits allows you to identify unnecessary expenses and cut them out, freeing up more cash for essential business needs. But it's not just about cutting expenses, it's also about diversifying. If you run a business, consider diversifying your income streams. This not only provides multiple revenue sources, but also reduces reliance on a single income stream, providing a buffer against market fluctuations. And finally, never underestimate the power of a financial safety net. Having a reserve of funds can protect you from unexpected expenses or downturns, giving you the peace of mind to focus on growth. So, remember these 4 pillars of efficient cash flow management. Regularly review your spending, cut unnecessary expenses, diversify your income streams, and maintain a financial safety net. Review, cut, diversify, and protect. 4 pillars of efficient cash flow management.